Today we'll talk about how can you enable Fediverse sharing on your Threads app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do. So you just click in this sign here. So then you go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click on account. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. So then you just click here on Fediverse here sharing, just click on it. So then you go down like this, you swipe down, then you click on next. Then here you just click here on turn on sharing, then it's gone automatically to enable with you like you see here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.